Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Mama Lisa's in the kitchen. Hey to the hashtag cutting up crew. I am gonna put together something to eat for lunch for myself. So I wanted to show y'all what I'm gonna do. Anyway, normally I like to make salsa fresh out of the garden, right? For you people that watch all the time. But today, I don't have tomatoes yet here in our part of North Carolina. So I cheated and bought a container of Pico De Mayo that I love. And I ordered it through Instacart and they delivered it. And so I'm sitting there eating it with just a few chips. And then I saw that I also had a pineapple. And so I thought, well, you idiot, talking to myself, because that's what I do. The cat may have heard me. Anyway, put that pineapple with that salsa and it'll be really good. So I'm gonna show y'all, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna have that for the rest of the weekend to snack on or whatever. And I have tortilla chips and I have, what do you call them? No, hold on, it'll come flour tortillas, whole wheat. And I could, you know, put that together, put some cheese on it, make a quesadilla, put this on it. Or if I want to fix a piece of salmon for myself for lunch or for supper or whatever, this would be a really good side. Just saying. Now, if you make your own, of course, you can put whatever you want to in it. But this one had tomatoes, jalapeno, fresh jalapeno, not pickled. That's what was in here. Red onion and some green pepper. So anyway, I am not an expert of cutting a fresh pineapple, but I will tell you this. For the hashtag cutting up crew that watch all the time, when I go out to my herb garden and y'all see this sitting in my flower pots, I always sit those in my flower pots and they are pretty. The top of your pot. Anyway, it's just a little tip if that's something that you like. But that's what I'm gonna do with mine. And I'm gonna cut this pineapple best I can because I want to chop some of it and put into this and make a pineapple Pico De Mayo. And I've seen people do this and I've eaten it this way with mango. I've definitely made it with strawberries. I don't know that I've ever made it for y'all on Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real on my cooking blog with pineapple. I don't know if I've ever done it like for me. Anyway, it's just a spur of the moment. Wanting something kind of fresh, something kind of different after being in quarantine. And I've had sandwiches and leftovers, and I got to say, this is terrible, but I'm sick of eating my cooking. I ain't gonna lie about it. I took great pleasure in going through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru just as soon as I could. And I was headed to pick up prescriptions or go there. Anyway, pineapple salsa. I like to show this kind of stuff, like all kidding aside, because everybody does not have access to fresh vegetables out of a carton. And so this is a great alternative. If you want to buy fresh Pico De Mayo, you can get it in most of your grocery stores. Okay, so I'm going to take just a little sliver or two of this fresh pineapple. I'm going to set that on my plate over here that's clean. And I am going to just cut this, rough cut it. I'm not a trained chef, so I just cut it like I like it. I'm going to be the only one that eats it here in my house. Nobody else likes all that stuff together. They definitely don't like, yeah. But it's a beautiful color if you wanted to make something like this and take it somewhere. Or if you're one of those people that like to take something where, you know, when you're getting ready to go somewhere, to a party or cookout or whatever, this would be a great side. It'd be good on a burger. Listen, I'm just thinking out loud here. Anyway, I have taken tortilla chips, not tortilla chips, tortillas, flour tortillas, and I have deep fried them, and I have sprinkled cinnamon sugar on them, and I've served something similar to this at a party, and it's delicious. And you know, in North Carolina, it's getting hot here, it's humid. You just kind of want something fresh tasting that's not hot, like temperature hot. Anyway, this would be a great poolside thing or whatever. And look, I'm just, like I said, it's just for me. So I'm not gonna worry about it as far as what this looks like. But I do want mine small enough that I'm gonna get a bite, in every bite, of some of this sweet pineapple. It's got a little tang to it. And then it's gonna have that jalapeno, which will give it a bite, some heat. And then those sweet tomatoes and those sweet red onions. Anyway, that is what I'm doing today with my Pico De Mayo. Easy, easy. Looks like a lot of effort. If you take it somewhere and you don't tell nobody, just say, yeah, I did it. You're telling the truth. You did do it. Just saying. And then I'm going to use the rest of my pineapple, the fresh pineapple, and cut it up. Papa loves fresh pineapple. So I'll cut some up and probably put it in a Cool Whip bowl that's been cleaned. Anyway, lastly, excuse me, I'm going to put just a little dribble, a dub-dub of lime juice in mine. Give it a stir. And grab a chip. Slowly but surely. And you can make this your own, but look how pretty that is. That would look beautiful on a plate, like with your chips in the middle and then that around. Everybody cares about that here. They really don't. They just want the food to taste good and they want to eat when they're hungry. But this right here, this is going to be good. Pineapple salsa, pineapple pico de gallo. That's what I'm talking about. That's good. Hope you enjoyed it. Use it. Great idea. Not because it was mine, just because it is. See y'all.